Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this lovely crunchy chin chin. Very crunchy with few ingredients. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. So on my bowl, I'll be adding in my flour. I have 4 cups of flour, 1/3 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon milk flavor. That is optional, you can as well leave that. Then nutmeg, half teaspoon. This chin chin is very easy to make. With few ingredients in your kitchen, you are done with this chin chin, and I can bet you it's very crunchy and very delicious. So I'll be adding in 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. You can as well use butter. So I'll mix that together. Here is the Fanta I'm going to be using. I already measure it out. 1 cup. I'm going to be using 1 cup and 1/4 cup for this recipe. But you add it bit by bit because some flour can retain water than the other. That is why I add in the 1 cup. Then later I add in the 1/4 cup. So I'm going to mix that together till I get a dough. And here we are, guys. I've gotten a dough. I'm not going to be kneading this. Mix it so that everything will combine well. I already have a commercial chin chin recipe on my video. I'm going to be dropping the link in my description box in case you need a commercial chin chin. So I'll be dividing the dough into 2. Then I'll stretch this out with my rolling pin. After stretching it out, you can cut it out in any shape of your choice, but I'm going to be cutting it into the normal square shape, into the normal chin chin square shape. So guys, let me leave you to enjoy the video. Welcome back, guys. I'm cutting out the rough edge just to get a smooth edge. You can as well cut it out that way. It's not really necessary, but if this is for business, please try to make your chin chin very attractive and very neat. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please kindly subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. Share to your family and friends because someone there may be in need of this lovely crunchy chin chin recipe, and they are going to thank you for sharing this video with them. So I'm going to be cutting it out in this shape. I'll do this with the second dough. And the next thing is for us to fry the chin chin. Before I forget, guys, Happy New Year. Welcome to 2025. We made it, guys. Thank you all so much for your support in 2024. This year we go harder, we go stronger. May God bless everything that we lay our hands on. 2025 is going to be a blessed year to us. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you for always being there. So here I'm done cutting. I'll be heating up my oil. And whenever you're frying your chin chin, please make sure your oil is hot. Not over hot that will get your chin chin burnt immediately, but let it be hot so that your chin chin will not soak oil. Here you can see how hot it is. If it is over hot, you can as well lower the flame of your fire so that your chin chin will not get burnt without getting done. Can see how everything is coming out together. I want it golden brown. And here I've gotten to the desired color that I want, so I'll be bringing it out of the oil. So I'm going to repeat the process for the remaining one. And here we are done frying. We are done with all the process. You can see that is very easy to do. With few ingredients, you have something to munch on. Thank you so much for your support. We have come to the end of today's video. Thank you all. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. See you all in my next one. Bye.